emerongo etano na batatu begrade ya 10 beskuru yabamura ya Nyakeiri egotoka marani ebunge ya kitutu cha North nigo barachi korara ase au magega Enyomba yoboraro yabo Koyia chinsa isano chimambiri tukolia rero ekero balinge ekerasime negakore kirera bateneri babanyanyimbo korwa ensemo ya marani oikasayo na kurigereria EKIAIRERA GOCHAKIGWA KOMORERO yo bakoragwa no mokonyi wo mo commissioner ensemo ya marani muhuri wanjoi nabo igo omo OCPD John Kimtai nuye bintu byonsi byaborokigwa byaya ase balireira yogocha kurigia chinchera barabakonye ekero usekero batatu mwinka chingaki obotuki bogendete koeneki omurikito Petro Machini na mange
Chinsi sano chemambe yelchukulia rero nige Enyomba yoboraro yaborokiwa begrade J10 asiskuru yabamura ya Nyakeiri gochoka emeamarani bunge kitutu cha North County ya Kisii ya OMORERO Kenio kiabeterea abo bisa abo borendi kurase nseme ya marani nabo igabo bisa kurase wizara yechisemo ikase skuru yo kulia igoro yege korwikyo Bao kwa nabarike mangana mayase skuru yo bakora hano mokonyo mo commissioner nseme yo muhuri wanjoi nabo igo mosibidibwe nseme ya marani John Kimtai nigo baereire igoro yogo chaka KOMORERO yo otaramanyekana ninki kyayo chakia.
This is a Marani sub-county, Marani division in Nyakeiri secondary, where it was reported at around 11 a.m. one dormitory hosting about 88 grade 10 students caught on fire. But with the quick intervention of the community and the school, the fire was put out. Fortunately, there were no casualties. Unfortunately, as you can see behind us, the students lost most of their valuables.
Today, at around 11:30, fire incident was reported at Nyakeiri Secondary School by the area chief and the principal, Mr. Gilbert. We rushed to the scene together with our counterparts from the Ministry of Education and the Kisii County government. On arrival at the scene, we found the dormitory, Robbie dormitory, completely burnt out. The dorm was housing 88 grade 10 students.
Asengwana yabo nigo morki wondo bwensi atanyara ko bagakonyora chinko masensemo y'omorero yo.
At the time of the fire, all the students were in classroom. They had just returned to class from the tea break. None of the students was injured. We have confirmed that all of them are safe. We also, the DCI visited the scene of crime personnel, going through the dorm to try and establish the cause of fire.
Asibono barireire uchikwene kinga morki wondo bwensi tali uchigotomo inga ekerobo tukibwacha kiweri morioka na nigo barachi kunyako bako bwatira nebyombo binde erikwene kyaboriki wabungo soma barasi nchire nyororo.
We also are making arrangements to make sure that all the kids are taken care of after this incident. Most of the property within the dorm was burnt out. All mattresses were burnt and the personal effects for the students. We are now, as a matter of priority, to make sure they are comfortable. None of them will be sent home as a result of this incident. We want to ensure that they continue with their education normally. We are also trying to work with other agencies to see how we can support these kids, because now I think all their personal effects are lost in the fire.
Plans are being made to accommodate the students and make them comfortable because it is the agenda of the government that no student should be out of school as we speak. Two, we want to assure the parents that all kids are accounted for and there should be no need for worry or panic. We are also carrying out investigations, and a report will be made very soon on the course and on the way forward.
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuraiga asinse maiskuru ya Nyakeiri me yebunge kitutu cha Chinofe kaunti ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.